Hello, everyone. So I want to show you really quickly how to rename your career website pages and where you'll need to place them. If you look underneath this week's modules, you should see underneath today, for some of you it'll be Thursday, some of you it'll be Friday, but you should see that I've moved up two particular things for you. Number one, the choose two careers for your research page. And then number two, the career research Google Sites page. So what I would do first is go back to your choose two careers for your research. And underneath that particular page, you'll find a link to where we originally picked out your different careers. It'll load. And you can click the link back to that Google Sheet. So just click this link. And inside of this Google Sheets, many of you have already seen it, but I've color-coded each of the careers. So they're color-coded by their different categories, like animation-related careers are all red, film-related careers are all orange, and so on and so forth, okay? On our Google Sites, what I've done is I've added little folders over on the right. Let me minimize that little group if it'll do it. There we go. I've added little groups over on the right, and they are in like order of how you see them in the Google Sheet, but they're just based on their color codes. So what I want you to do is I want you to find your career's color code. Okay, and a really easy way to do this is you can hit Control F as in frog, and it'll pull up the find function. And you could type in your career, but you could also just type in your first name. Like I'm going to type in one first name really quick, and it'll go straight to it. You can find your career name right there. You can also hit these little arrow keys, and it'll let you shift to your other one. What I would recommend is you click right on the cell that has your career name. It's already spelled right. It has proper capitalization. Just hit Control C and look at the color. So this color happens to be yellow. And then you're going to go back to Canvas. And like I said, I moved up your career Google Sites page where you submitted your links to your web page. And on that assignment, you'll see the link back to our Google Sites. So you can click the link right inside this page to get back to our Google Sites. And once you're in here, right now, your pages are exactly where you left them. Look in your particular block, find your page for the right job. Like I grabbed a random student's that I'm just going to use as an example. And so I'm going to scroll through here and find the name. Sorry, my computer's always very slow when Zoom's running too. But make sure you're on the right page. This is not wanting to load, but make sure you're on the right page. And when you know you're on your correct page with the correct title that you've copied, just click these three little dots, or you can double click next to your name. Again, very slow, a lot of lag. Let me try refreshing that a little bit. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so anyway, like I said, you can just double click on the name. Like it's double clicking on, not the one I'm actually clicking on, but you can paste in your career title. So whatever your career title happens to be, you can paste it in there and then drag it. See, it's panicking on me. Anyway, you can paste your career title in there. And then just like we dragged our pages into these folders, you can pick your page up and move it to the correct color. So this particular color will go in the yellow folder. And all you have to do to drag and drop is literally just click and hold down on your particular page and pull it and drag it. Mine is being very laggy, but as you can see here, like if I hover over yellow, it's going to drop that particular page into the yellow category. So again, On the Google Sheets, find your job. Look at, sorry, it's so slow. Look at the colors. Find the color for your career. There are a few colors that I kind of had to go back through the list. I ran out of unique colors, and so they kind of get repeated, but they're again in order. So, like, there's a purple and there's a mauve, and the mauve comes after the purple, and it comes after the purple on the website, and it's a little bit pinker. So just kind of scroll through when you see the colors. If you're not sure 100% which green it is or which purple it is, you can quickly kind of look through the lists and it'll let you know. But that's all I need you to do. Change the name over on Google Sites so that your page no longer says your name. This is the name of the career, and move it to the right color. And that's it. Thanks, guys.